Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can remove apps at the Huawei Y6s. And yeah, by the way, this works also for the Huawei Y7s and Y9s. So the most easiest way is here on the desktop. So first of all, look for the app you want to remove, maybe here like booking.com. So hold your finger the app until you see that here. So and then you just go here and uninstall, confirm with OK, and then this app, so booking.com, is removed. Okay, there's another way to do that. So just scroll down here to go to the settings. And then we go here on apps. And then we go here on apps again. And now you choose the app you want to remove. Maybe let's stay at booking.com. So tap on that app. And you can go here on uninstall as well and confirm again with OK. So I will leave it on my phone, so I go again on cancel here. And yeah, sometimes there are some apps you cannot remove on the phone, but you can disable it, maybe like the drive option here. If you want to disable, so you cannot uninstall it, but you can make it disappear. So just go here on disable app, and yeah, you can enable it at any time, but it is disappeared then on the front page and so on. And save, of course, space at internal storage. Huh? I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in them, just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.